They keep saying inflation is cooling down. So why does one bag of groceries still cost $150? Here's what they're not telling you. Prices didn't fall. They just stopped rising as fast. And if you're holding cash, you're already losing. Let me show you the trick. When inflation was at 9%, then dropped to 3%, prices still went up, just slower. Your $100 from 2 years ago, it now buys you about $82 worth of stuff today. That's not saving. That's slow motion losing. And here's the part that stings. While your cash is shrinking, assets are growing, stocks, real estate, even Bitcoin. Inflation punishes savers. It rewards owners. So the people who know this are quietly moving their money. So what do? 3 moves. 1. Stop letting cash just sit there. Put it to work in index funds, high-yield savings, something. 2. Own income-producing assets, even small ones. Think dividend stocks or a side business. 3. Earn more. Invest in skills that increase your paycheck, because you can't save your way out of this. The game changed. Now you know the rules. Follow for more. I break down money without the BS. Disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research before investing.